What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can send funds or money from your Revolut X account to your Revolut account. Also, before we get started, if you guys want to grab a free stock worth up to $100, you can check out the first link in the description below. So let's get started. Now, once you open up your Revolut X app, you will be on this home screen right here. Now, from the home screen, if you have any funds in a fiat currency, that will be shown right here. Now, I have a few cents in dollars, so let's go ahead and transfer these dollars to our Revolut account. Now, to do that, you would just need to click on the currency that you want to transfer, and then select the withdraw option right here. Now, once you selected the withdraw option, the Revolut app will automatically be right here as a default withdraw option. So all you need to do is just input the amount of currency that you want to transfer from Revolut X to Revolut. So I will just select 100% right here. And once you selected the amount, all you need to do is just click confirm right here. And there we go. Everything was pretty instantaneous. Now in the transfers, you can see that a transfer was made in the amount of 31 cents. Now let's go ahead and open up our Revolut app to see if those funds arrived. And there we go. Here we can see a transaction from Revolut X to Revolut in the amount of 31 US cents. So that's guys how you can transfer funds or cash to your Revolut account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.